Afternoon guys, I want to thank you for watching the video. So I'm off out camping. I'm in the car because by the time I get there it'll be dark, so I thought I would show a little bit of footage in the light. So I want to start by saying thanks to onetigris for the smoky hut tent. I'm going to be using that tonight. So it's raining guys, it's going to be one of the camps. Its clocks went back last Saturday, so it seems to get a bit miserable after that, doesn't it? Honestly. So before I'm waffling away, and this is a 90-minute video, I'll thank you for watching here, and I'll bring you back when I'm at lockdown. Just to say guys, you need to watch out for sheep. See when you're driving down to Lockdown in the dark, there's a lot of sheep that just free roam here. So don't be tearing down in the dark, because you'll end up hitting something, won't you? Look, there's some sheep up there, look, can we see them? Usually they are pretty good and they don't kind of go on the road, but you really don't want to hit one of them, do you? So we're here guys, I've got to set the tent set up. It's a bit dark, right? As I said in the car on the way here. So, Bugsy's, I don't know how many windows have you got in your house, Bugsy?
Look,
but
it's Colin's house, I told you. He's one of the Google billionaires. He just comes out with us.
But we've got more window frames. Was it 2 weeks ago we were burning window frames? Do you know what I'll do? I'll actually get my torch and I'll show you, right? 'Cause it's probably dark. But we've got Colin, get your votes in, get your votes in
now, or get your subs in, come on, I need to get to 1,000.
We've just met Andrew and his girlfriend. Sorry, what was your name again?
Shanna.
Shanna. They're from Sunderland. And I mentioned you, Andy, and he said, Andy Wardle? No, I can't think of that guy.
No, he didn't. He said he owes me 20 quid. Have you seen him?
I'm only kidding, Andy. He did. He said he recognised. He didn't know the Scottish Wanderer, but he knew Andy Wardle. He didn't know Colin, so you wouldn't say that again, right?
I'm not famous enough yet.
Yeah.
Yet.
Right, so I'm blabbing away. I'll go and get my torch, right? So there we go, guys. Right, here's the inside of my tent. There's tons of room, right? So I'm using my down sleeping bag. I've got my Alpkit cloud base mat, and I'm using a piece of Reflectix on the floor. So tons of room inside here. We could all actually get inside this thing. It really is a lot of room. But we're not. It's just for me. It's all mines, all mines. There we go, look. It's all mines. Tons of room.
Well, hello!
Alright, Bugsy, what you got there?
I'll tell you, a wee bargain I got on eBay.
What have you been buying?
I get involved in a bidding war, Stuart.
A bidding war?
A bidding war, I mean, it was quite expensive.
Right.
£1.24. It's a deal, it's a steal.
On eBay, I mean.
Where did you buy it from, you said?
eBay, the guy, he lives in Chernobyl.
Chernobyl?
Apparently, aye.
Is that not where that disaster was?
It was brilliant. I mean, I actually put a burger in it earlier on, it wasn't even on the fire, and it cooked it, you know? So I was thinking to myself, it's like a magic pot, you know?
Wow, cool.
Aye, really pleased. I'll cook your burger in it later.
Have you got your burgers, Bugsy?
I've extended the franchise,
Do you know,
Stuart.
did you see the comment,
it's not just
Bugsy?
beef burgers now, Stuart. I'm doing chicken burgers tonight as well.
Bugsy, did you see the comment somebody said that your vote was better than Colin's?
My vote?
Oh, your cooking, sorry. Oh, I forgot, Colin forgot his food.
Oh, that's right, so I did.
think it was
The
Colin that made that vote actually.
Yeah.
He was just pleased to eat that weekend,
Yeah,
you know.
I was actually. They were mighty good burgers with them.
Right, so we're burning the wood, guys. Look, Bugsy's
Micropot,
whatever, he's been demolishing his house.
like a micro pig.
Right, so he's bringing all his rubbish as well. But we will burn it, honestly. Everything will be burnt. There'll be no mess left, right? I've actually got Colin over here as my lighting man. Right, so don't forget to subscribe Colin, or
You know you want to.
unsubscribe Colin.
No. Subscribe. Right, we're at 904. So we need to get to 1,000. So
Colin's
come on,
desperate
get your
to get
subs
to the
in,
1K.
Come on.
Because see, when you get to 1K, YouTube sends you a plaque.
Yeah,
And they say,
I'm dying for one of these plaques.
is it 1K or is it 100,000? Oh no, I think it's 100,000, Colin.
Well, in that case we've got a bit to go.
It's definitely 100,000, so yeah, I've got a bit to go as well.
Just a bit.
But my lighting man's not working here,
Oh,
right?
aye,
Put the
sorry.
light on me.
Right.
So, bring you back with me. Colin says he's got some burgers. No, sorry.
No, Bugsy.
Bugsy's got the burgers. Colin's got a steak.
Not just burgers.
Not just any burgers.
Bring them in a natural wood pot.
Oh,
Oh! Shine the torch over there, Colin.
right.
Show us the plate.
I need to get some of that.
I need a wooden plate.
That's beautiful.
Where's my hat?
Sorry, Bugsy. Do that again. Oh, look at that, eh?
I don't know if we
Oh,
can
he's got
see
a
that
frisbee
over there,
with him.
can we? But Bugsy's got a plate.
I've also got the cakes by if somebody wants to get the tea on. We could batter into a couple of wee cakes in there.
Can I get the light, Colin? So, I'll bring you back, guys, right? I don't want this to be a super long video, but we'll bring you back. Sorry. What was your channel name again, Andy?
Andrew Crosley.
So, if you want to check Andrew, Andrew's going to maybe start a camping channel. So, if he
Definitely going to
does,
try it out. Definitely going to try it out.
yeah, you should, because he sleeps in his car. So, I've done a few.
He has a house.
No, he's
I
got
have
a
a
house.
cardboard box with windows.
Sorry. He's got a house, but he goes camping in his car. I've done it a few times, haven't I? So, check Andy out. Right, there we go. There's Andy.
Please subscribe to the channel if you like the content.
I'll put a link to Andy's channel below. I'll need to get Andy to write that down because I'll forget it. Or, you know what to do, actually?
You record it, you know?
Actually, tell Colin, right? Because Colin will remember. Right? Can you remember, Colin?
I'll try my best.
Right, Colin will
I've once
remember.
had a few siders. You might have to remind me a couple of times. But
Right, but I
I
better go,
usually remember
guys,
most
right?
things.
This will be a 60-minute video here.
In the cinders, so it all melted.
Happened to your tent, Paul? Yeah, Bugsy. Why do I keep saying Paul? Bugsy.
It burnt last week or 2 weeks ago when we were at Dunure.
Oh, do you know what?
Remember it
do you know,
melted?
I remember,
I've
right?
repaired it with the handle off of a Sports
I
Direct
didn't
bag
realise you'd done that. I thought you just
And I've
wrote
repaired the
kinda
bottom.
bit.
with the two corners off of a.
Do you know what happened,
There's basically
guys,
nothing
right?
you can't do with a Sports Direct bag, Stuart, you know what I mean?
We left our tent, we left
You
our
know?
chairs out, right? Bugsy's.
When we got on holiday there, the hotel wasn't ready, you know what I mean? We slept in a Sports Direct bag for 2 nights, Stuart, it was fine.
Bugsy's chair blew in the fire.
I mean,
Mine's-
Mike actually might not be
stitching though.
popular with a
Look
lot
at
of
that
people, you know what I
stitching.
I need to get up, I need to show you this.
I'm going to go and get water because my lips are
Right,
dry.
look at the stitching. You should get a job as a seamstress, Bugsy.
You think so?
No, definitely,
I said to you, I was going to bring up my torn trousers and that tonight.
definitely not. Right, that's some stitching. I've got a sewing machine too. I'll need to bring my sewing machine for Bugsy. Look, Bugsy, see if you're watching the video. Look, my chair's perfect. Look, perfect. Right, we're going to do a bit of cooking, guys.
Bit of cooking. Woohoo!
Freebie!
What's
Bring
that?
it off.
What's that, Colin?
Well, it just so happens Petromax
Petromax.
have sent me. Well, you just have to wait and see.
Petromax, they're really good, are they not?
They are. Cast iron.
Cast iron skillet. Or is that a Dutch oven you've
Oh
got?
no, cast iron skillet.
Come on,
Oh.
Plus,
let's
a
find
wee
out.
extra has been thrown in as well, which you'll see, which will go down a treat in your Dutch oven, to be honest. I think you can use it
Oh.
for different things, but it can be used in the Dutch oven.
I do know Petromax do Dutch ovens, don't they?
Yep, they do a
Good
lot of
Dutch ovens.
very good cast iron
So,
equipment.
just to say Petromax, you need to send one to that Scottish Wanderer. Right? Right, come on, Colin.
Wait a minute, I need to start mine for it. I need to get mine as well.
Give me your camera and I'll hold it for you. Are you going to do it there?
About 1 o'clock in the morning
I'll
before
just
we eat. With all the second takes and that, you know.
So I do apologise, Sandy and his girlfriend, right? They're probably sitting there laughing. You know, they'll go home and they'll say, do you know we went to Scotland and we met three crazy Scottish people. Never again are we going back to that lockdown.
You mad Scotland.
No, 100% come back.
But yeah, right, come on, Colin. Are you ready yet? Come on, hurry up, come on. Get your votes in, guys, hurry up. I'll bring you back, right?
Right.
Oh no, he's ready. Right. Well, I'll use my light for you. Right, shh.
Right, just like to thank you to Petromax for sending me this. So, we're all here at the grand opening. Right, just set that there just now.
Yeah, what is it?
Quite a big box for a little pan, isn't it? So we're going to call this an unboxing, Colin.
This is the unboxing.
Is this a separate?
Petromax unboxing.
Is this a separate video, Colin? On your channel? Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh, very nice.
Oh.
The handle's
Petromax, fantastic.
Yeah.
Cast iron,
That's actually better than the one I've got.
Definitely.
extra long handle.
Exactly, that's what you need, the long handle for a fire.
The Petromax SP20, SP32. Very nice.
That is a nice pan, Colin. Yeah.
I'm impressed with that.
Can I feel it?
So I'll put the links and that on my channel of where you can buy this. Really good bit of gear. So that's first on the list.
Can I touch it, Colin? Can I touch it?
What's this?
So as well as top of the range pan. Thanks again Petromax.
Oh, it's quite heavy.
Nope. It certainly beats my mini Mac.
Oh yeah, definitely beats your little mini Max, doesn't it? I like that.
Mine's is just a fiddler, Stuart.
Right, come on light.
Look at that, guys. Oh, sorry.
Right,
Oh.
we've also got
Oh yeah, I've seen them. Yeah. Cool.
and I'm taking it.
It goes the other way, Colin. Yeah. And it makes like a
Tripod for the fire.
a triangle.
We've also got the triangle to sit the pan on top.
Oh yeah, all the goodies for Colin. Where's mine's?
So that'll just sit nicely over the fire. And we will see a couple of sirloin steaks going on to this next. Very good. Thanks very much Petromax.
Something else in it.
Oh! Oh!
You get the wooden spoon?
We've also got the Petromax wooden spoon. Very nice. Say thanks.
Definitely.
Some
Brilliant.
great gear. Thanks very much Petromax. I'll bring you back once we start doing a wee bit of cooking at it. So cheers again. Like I say, I'll put all the links on my channel where you can buy this top of the range gear. Very good. Very pleased with that.
I'm getting one. Sure.
See, Colin, keep that on, Colin. See, while he's talking about the cooking stuff, right? I got asked to go on a telly show. What was that name of that show again? What was the cooking woman?
Mary Berry.
Mary Berry. Cooking at home or something in BBC.
My
Right.
name's in there, by the way. You folded it
Does,
in the-
do people think I should go on it?
It's in
I
the
said
big
to my
bit of
wife and she
bubble wrap.
laughed and she said no. But that is nice. I do like that, Colin. Very nice. Did you weigh that, Bugsy?
Sorry.
Not the burger, sorry, but the frying pan. Probably a good little...
Very light. That's for
Yeah.
sure. Because it's tiny, I mean, you can only do one burger at a time, but
Aluminium is quite light. It's actually as light as titanium. But people say that aluminium gives you Alzheimer's, but
What?
Yeah, I was going to say that. I was going to say that. But yeah, Bugsy's cooking the burgers again. Your burger was amazing 2 weeks ago, Bugsy. Wasn't as good as mine's.
No.
See the one I cooked in the woods. But you getting that pan on the go, Colin? What? I'm the lighting man for Colin here, so right. Mountain of food here.
So to go on the great stuff that Petromax have sent through, what are we cooking tonight?
Did you get sent the steaks, Colin?
No, I had to buy these. So we've got specially selected, dry aged, on the bone, Scotch Aberdeen Angus sirloin steak, 36 day matured.
Colin has to beat me years
So,
time, don't you, Colin?
We've got 3 of them, got red onions, peppers, got spicy mini jacket potato. That's wondering if there's enough space to put in here.
Did you chop the peppers up yourself, Colin?
I certainly did.
Yeah.
Did you vacuum seal those potatoes?
Is that nice? Did you vacuum seal that yourself?
Oh yeah. Yep.
The potatoes do look good, don't they?
Yeah, they do. Right, the whole thing looks good.
Oh, I'll get right up, guys. Right in
On
it.
the fire.
Get right in it.
Right on the fire, man. Get it on.
So we've got onions, peppers, potatoes. You going to take that sticker off, Colin?
What sticker?
The back of the spoon.
Oh, of course it's got. Scotch, dry aged on the bone, Aberdeen Angus sirloin steak, 36 day matured, specially selected.
All mines, guys, all mines.
Oh, right, you ready for this sizzle in this lovely Petromax frying pan? Oh, lovely, lovely.
Who makes that frying pan again, Colin?
Petromax.
Petromax.
So, looking nice. Thanks again, Petromax. Great, absolutely fantastic pan.
Yep. It's offer.
The stand as well, I really am. I know I've said it before, but I'm impressed with that. It really is very, very sturdy. But I like this steak.
You know what a burger is? You make them yourself.
Did you actually cook that steak, Colin? It seems a bit... Is that blue?
Perfect.
There's no blood coming out of it.
Normally I like it quite well done, but
Yeah, that seems a bit...
because it was a sirloin, I thought I'll cook it the way it should be cooked.
It seems... No! That's still alive, Colin.
Perfect. Oh. Bugsy's pulled the stops out again. Oh, look at those cream cakes. Oh,
Bugsy does treat us, doesn't he, guys?
It certainly does. Very nice.
Right. Guests first, when you go.
Thank you very much. Go for
What one are you going for, Colin?
Try one.
Try it
Well, I do like chocolate.
Do you know what I knew Colin's going to go for the chocolate one?
I don't know. I'm
bun?
going to shoe bun.
Cheer the big man.
Oh no, you can go next. Bugsy.
No, I'll insist.
I'll go last.
Okay, right. I'm having
Do you know what, Steve? My Ollie's watching, right?
That's the
Ollie.
one I wanted.
Sorry, my torch has run out of power. Sorry. Ollie would love one of them, right? So if you're watching, Ollie.
I eat it.
My torch has run out of power. But I'm going to go for that chocolate one. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, guys. I've been sitting up. It's been raining most of the night. Can you see me? The calling that you can hear there. So yeah, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. We've been sitting around the campfire, just enjoying being out. It's been raining most of the day and most of the night, so we've been laughing. I forgot. Actually, sorry, I forgot to record the laughing. So if Bugsy's wife's watching, he's been laughing all night, but we forgot to film that part. So catch you in the morning, guys. Just because it was raining, I put the camera in the tent. Didn't really want to get it wet, so. But I'm loving this. I'm loving this teepee. Look at the amount of room. There's definitely tons of room in here. Tons and tons of room. You could definitely get 4 people in this. So it's definitely handled the rain. I'm pretty happy with it. So bring you back in the morning. Morning, guys. Get woken by Colin and Bugsy talking. Look, a pair of sweetie wives out there, man. Oh, so I'm getting up, guys. Oh, tent was dry, really was, honestly. Tons of room, as I've probably said. But yeah, I'm getting up. See you, Colin. Colin's walking. Don't work too hard, Colin.
I meet a new friend. Can't stay for long, just turn around and I'm gone again.
So morning, guys. Look at this amazing little beach, right? Normally this is underwater. There is actually 2 little houses over here, look. They would have been watching us last night, saying, look, there's poor people over there camping. But can we see that little beach over here? Look, you've got another little cottage as well over there. I like that nice little beach, and then you've got the brown autumn colours. I don't know if my camera could pick that up over there, but oh, lovely. So, see last night, right? See, the only thing I can say about my tent is, right, see the wind, it was coming up through there, right? It got kind of windy last night, and see if it had like a bathtub floor at the back here, right? Because see where the floor is, right? The way that it's been designed is, look, the floor actually meets, the actual floor meets just at the bottom there. But see if it had like a bathtub floor, like here, I'll show you. If it went up, see that far? So when you're actually in the tent sleeping, the wind doesn't hit you. But the actual tent, tons of room. I really can't complain, except for that. But there's Bugsy get the tea on. I've got some tea myself, but I don't know if I'll have any. I'm going to take you down and give you a little look at this little beach. Oh, look at this. There's like 20 million fire pits. There's Colin away. Oh yeah, there we go. Look, there's another little beach. I did bring my fishing rod, but I don't know if I can be bothered doing fishing. Ooh, I'm a bit kind of scared in case I slip here. It's quite slippery, guys. I do have quite good grippy shoes on as well, but right, so oh, that is slippy. How'd you get down there? I'll bring you back when I get down there, guys. I don't want to slip my bum. The water level's a lot down here. Actually, the last time I came here to this little spot, all of this was underwater. See all of this here as well? All of that was underwater. Where the castle is, that was all underwater. But the water level has dropped since then, quite significantly. Right, so we'll go this way. It's a nice little bit there, if somebody was wanting to camp. What? Nice little fire pit as well. But honestly, one time I came and this was underwater. As you can see, the trees are all kind of wet where the water came up to. But yeah, there's that little beach. Little beach. We've got that little cottage over there as well. Look at that. It looks as if that's been cut out. Kind of square, doesn't it? Got a little beach over here as well, look. So as I said, I've got to bring my fishing rod, but I don't know if I can be bothered getting it out. It's quite cold. And, So I'm going to pack up, guys, and I'll end up going. Just thought I would give you a look at that little beach over there. Very nice. I think it's like 7:30 at the moment, so. Look at all those autumn colours in the trees. Hopefully my camera can pick that up. Amazing. Hopefully you can see that. All kind of gold colour. So that's us, we're all packed up, guys. Here's where my little fire pit was last night. The rain will clean that up, wouldn't it? Heavy rain last night. So here's where my tent was. I'm trying to remember where it was again. It was round about there somewhere. Oh yeah, I must have been in that. Not the flattest that I picked, but so I was round about there somewhere. It was dry, but I took it down like half an hour ago and it's wet again. Colin, he was over there in the flat spot. So, using my Gonex 55 litre one that I was given. There we go, look, I got given that last year. So I came quite light, not the lightest. 55 litres for a kind of winterish camp. It got down to about 5 degrees last night, so it wasn't like totally cold, 5 Celsius. But I think that's not bad, 55 litres. So there's a little view. So we need to hike back to where our cars are parked. Oh yeah, I forgot to say where Bugsy was. I don't know if I showed Bugsy's tent. Do you know I keep forgetting to show Bugsy's tent? He's got that DD top tent. So put in the comments, guys, me and Bugsy's thinking of doing Ben Ann in Connacht Hill.
2 summit camps.
2 summit, and that would be cool in the snow. Scottish Mountains, Murray, he's done Ben Ann. I've climbed Ben Ann, but I've never camped on it. I keep trying to get people to camp, but
one in the snow, one without the snow would be good.
Well, Connacht Hill would be nice. That's quite easy. Eddie and Sinclair and that camped up there, don't they?
Don't let Eddie tell you any different. Connacht Hill's 14,000 feet high.
I think it's like 350 metres. And Ben Ann's not that high either. I think that's like 400 metres. Me and my Ollie's climbed it. It takes you like 30 minutes to climb it, but it'll be amazing. It's a bit like that hill, the one here behind Doon Castle. That's about 300 metres, so it's not the biggest. But I'm blabbering away, blah blah blah. As Survival Russia would say, tra la 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 la. So I better go, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and if you could, don't forget to go and check Colin out. Colin's desperate to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if we could get to that before Christmas, that would be good. So if you're not subscribed to Colin, please go over and subscribe to him. There's a lot of cooking and a lot of camping, so thank you, thanks for watching, and if you could, thumbs up the video, but most of all, thanks for watching. Thank you. It's like your tights you've got in there, Bugsy.
That's my long
You're doing the dance, do the spam dance, go on.
Go. The Long John spam dance.
We'll call it the Bugsy dance. Woo!
That's a bit into the security dance now.
Do you know I've been standing with Bugsy for about 10 minutes here, right? I never noticed that he's got his tights on, these long johns.
Look. Merino wool, here we go. Right?
Never noticed till he just said, look, I'm wearing my long johns. Just thought I would point that out, you know. You know I like to pick. Do you feel as if I'm picking on you, Bugsy?
No, I think
Can I get a disclosure? Can you write that?
I'll go over it now, I should be alright. Once I go and see my therapist.